Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase backgrounds in Alight Motion. We'll dive into the essential techniques that will help you achieve a clean and professional look for your projects. Whether you're working with simple or complex footage, understanding these methods is key. Get ready to transform your videos by isolating your subjects with precision and creativity. Let's get started on mastering this fundamental editing skill together. The chroma key effect is your best friend for removing solid-colored backgrounds, especially green screens. I'll show you how to apply this powerful tool and adjust its settings to perfection. We'll explore how to fine-tune the threshold and feathering, ensuring a seamless blend that makes your subject pop. This technique is incredibly efficient for quick and clean background removal, giving your videos a polished and professional edge with just a few simple steps. When dealing with more intricate backgrounds, advanced masking and blending techniques come into play. We'll explore how to use the masking tools to precisely select and isolate your subject, even against complex backdrops. Understanding different blending modes will also be crucial for smoothly integrating your subject into a new scene. You'll learn to refine edges and details, ensuring a professional and natural-looking composite that truly elevates your visual storytelling. To achieve a truly flawless background erase, remember a few key tips. Always ensure your original footage has good lighting. This makes the removal process much simpler. Using high-resolution images and videos will also preserve quality after editing. Most importantly, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with Alight Motion's tools, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Keep creating and enjoy the amazing results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.